Repointing is the process of renewing the pointing, which is the external part of the mortar joints in masonry construction. Over time, weathering and decay cause voids in the joints, allowing the undesirable entrance of water. Guidance on repointing walls and choosing an appropriate repointing mixture can be found in the BRE Good Repair Guide 24, Repointing External Brickwork Walls. It is recommended that anyone carrying out repointing work should be familiar with this document. Additives can reduce the porosity of brickwork. The main one to consider for flood resistance is additive number 2 by Safeguard. Stormdry Repointing Additive number 2 is a flexible waterproofing admixture that's diluted with water before being added as a gauging solution to a sand cement repointing mixture. It's suitable for use where flood protection is required or there's a high incidence of driving rain. Test work demonstrates that repointing with additive number 2 and applying Stormdry masonry protection cream can greatly reduce the flow of water through a wall. For example, at a height of 0.6 meters, the flow rate through a single skin brick wall is reduced from 12.5 liters per meter squared per minute to less than 0.2 by using the cream and the repointing. So benefits include improving the flood resistance, reducing the water absorption of the masonry, it's easy to mix in the repointing mixture, and it can be used with cement and lime-based mortars. But when considering older properties, breathability is required, and therefore you may actually wish to consider additive number 1, which is a slightly different mixture but similar principle, and that can be used again with cement or lime mortars, but it maintains the breathability. We'll be doing more of these videos to help raise awareness of flood risk and how to manage it at your property. Obviously just covered repointing a property. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to keep up to date with the latest news.